Good day everyone. My name is Manilyn Verhend and I am a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Industrial Technology, major in Electronics Technology. I am here to present some video tutorial about our specialization. I am here to show on how to use multi-tester. Since there are two types of multi-tester, the digital and the analog multi-tester, I will be using analog multi-tester to show on how it will test the AC voltage and the DC voltage and some examples. So without further ado, I will share to you the parts of an analog multi-tester. This one here is the voltmeter scale. This one is the gyro. This one is the pointer. Here is the direct current voltage range, and this one is the range selector. Here is the ohmmeter scale, and this one is the 0 ohms adjustment. Here is the AC current volt range, and this one is the current voltage range. This one is the positive T-spread, and this one is the negative T-spread. So after showing the parts of an analog multi-tester, I will be showing also the difference between an AC voltage and how to test and the DC voltage. An AC voltage or the alternating current is the direct current coming from the source, while the direct current, it is the directional flow of electric charge. Like for example, batteries, cell phone batteries. This one is an example of direct current voltage or DC. So the good source of alternating current is the one from Sorneco. Like for example, so in our house, we have 220 volts or maybe higher from 220 volts. So later on, I will be showing to you on how to test AC and DC. I will be showing to you on how to test an AC voltage. First, we have to put the scale from 250 volts. Then, let's try. So, you see, we have 200 volts. So, this is how to test AC. So after showing you on how to test an AC voltage, here I am showing you on how to test a DC voltage. This one is a Samsung battery. It have a 3.8 voltage, and this battery AA has a 1.5 voltage. So I will be showing you on how to test it. So let's start. First, don't forget to select the DC range. So here, put it here in 10 or 10. This one is a 3.8 voltage. So here we go. So this battery has 2.8 voltage, and this one this battery has only 1.1 voltage. So after showing you on how to test the DC and AC voltage using an analog multi-tester, I am also showing you on how to test the basic components. There are just 4 basic components in electronics: resistor, capacitor, diode, and transistor. I am only showing you on how to test a good diode and a resistor. So now I will be showing you on how to test a good diode. First, you have to set it in a 1K. Then test it. So there is no continuity, so we have to reverse it. So this one, a diode has a 5 ohms, so it is a good diode. Then just to check, put it in 10K if this diode is in good condition. So still there is no resistance, and we have to reverse. So there is no resistance, so this one is a good diode. So after showing you on how to test a good diode, I am here also to share on how to test a good resistor. A resistor is a passive two-terminal electrical component that implements electrical resistance as to circuit. So, and also in addition, a resistor has a color coding. There are 9 colors that correspond a certain value. And we have brown, black, and orange. And you see this one gold here is the tolerance, the first digit and the second digit. Then the multiplier is the orange. So let's see if this is a good resistor. Let's check. So we have to select it in a 1 ohms. See, no resistance. Then we have to reverse, no resistance. But let's check it in 1K ohms if there is. So you see there is 4.1 key ohms. So this resistor has a 4.2 key ohms. Let's check. So let's check the value of this resistor. Brown has 1 key ohms. Black is 0. Then our multiplier is orange, 3 key ohms. Then let's multiply brown. 1 times 3 is equal to 3,000 key ohms. Then the multiplier with this is 3. I mean the tolerance, gold has plus and negative 5 to determine the maximum and minimum value of this resistance. So 3,000, 5% of 3,000 has 1.5 key ohms. So let's add 4,500 key ohms or 4.5 key ohms. Then 3,000 minus 1.5 is 1,500 ohms or 1.5 key ohms. This is the minimum value and this is the maximum value of this resistor. So since we tested 4.2 key ohms, so this resistor is good since it has a 4.2 key ohms resistance. That's all. That's all for my video tutorial about on how to use multi-tester in analog type. I hope you have learned something and thank you for watching.